Hi, welcome to Orchids 365. My name is Roxy and it's July and I wanted to go around the garden and show you a few blooms. But first of all, I want to thank you for those of you that reached out for my birthday in June and said happy birthday and all the kind words. I want to thank you for that, and I want to thank you for everybody that participated in my 4th of July sale. It was a success. You guys cleaned out the online store. I'm working now on some custom orders, but look forward to another drop in August. Thank you so much for supporting my small business, for watching my videos, for hitting that like button, for subscribing. I'm still confident that I can make that goal by the end of this year, or maybe by November. That's my 5-year anniversary. I want to hit 5K on YouTube, and I know you can help me if you're watching now. Just make sure you tap that subscribe button. It's free. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in bloom. It has been excruciatingly hot. So here in Orchid Pergola number 1, I have the Mejuriana, and this is the first time she blooms in my pot, and she's so cute, and she matches a lot with the pot, which is something I usually don't do, but it really wasn't on purpose. When I got her, she was a lighter shade with more deep freckles, but now I think she's getting a lot more light. So this is the flower. I think it's gorgeous. And her neighbor, the Cattleya caniaimas, please excuse my wind chime. Did I say that right? Caniaimas first. Said, nope, I don't want her to get all the attention because, bam, look at this beauty. Look at this. Gosh, this flower is huge. It's funny because when we went on our little beach trip, I thought I was gonna miss blooms, and I didn't even know these had buds. I was worried about missing, sorry, I had a bee in my face, these beauties, which is Maria Hatney. I believe she's a Purpurata cross. I'll confirm that for you. 3 beautiful blooms on this. She's growing in this pot. The wind chime's like going crazy. At least I'm getting a wind, hot wind, but whatever. Look at that beauty. I'm so happy. And finally, my Miss Joaquim's over there. They decided to give me flowers. So I have 3 on one spike and about 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 on the other spike. Hold on. Just navigating through the spider webs. Look at this. These are already on the way out, but these are a bit more fresh. There's a little peekaboo going on here. See if you can guess who she is. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Hello, gorgeous. She's going towards the light. There's like 3 buds here. And she's in one of my sconces. Oh my god, I'm so scared of like messing up the flower. I'm gonna have to turn her and then show her to you. Let me show you the beauty that she is. I mean, the back of the flower is gorgeous too, don't get me wrong. To make these sconces, this was a prototype, and she's been growing in there since she was a little seedling, and now she has 2 more buds to open, and this is the first flower to open. I think this is Naomi's Delight. I'm gonna show you the ID now. Love her freckles. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. I'm gonna try to record her again when the other 2 buds are open, so you have 3 flowers to look at. Hello, gorgeous. Almost like she knows how beautiful she is. Yeah, it is Naomi's Delight. She was growing in the, ugly flimsy wire basket, so I established it, and the new growths came out this side, and now look at what we have here. What a beauty. I love it. Let me show you the ID because this is from Quest Orchids. Here you go. Isn't she stunning? One more look. Ooh. Having a little trouble staking her up because the spike is so long. Another color changer. I don't have an ID. Didn't have one when I bought it, but I love her. She's a reliable bloomer, and she's been always potted up in my Key West custom pot. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Summer sunset colors. And then she ends up being white at the end. Like, if I have a chance, I'll record her. Hey, King of the Jungle. How are you, baby? Don't go. Stay. Holy. Stay. Hi. What you doing? Here's my baby from Sundance. And she has 1, 2, 3 spikes. Can you imagine if all those 3 spikes have 3 or more flowers? When they open, these will probably be done by then. And I put her in a stone pot. I couldn't resist because look at that. What do you think, Julio? You approve? Do you approve? Who's the best kitty? Who's the best kitty in the whole wide world? Thank you, Auntie Paula, for my treats. I really like my catnip and my toys. You heard that, Auntie Paula? Hillbilly Orchids was so kind. She sent Julio a box of goodies. And he's been having a lot of fun, especially with the catnip, you guys. Oh my goodness. I could just be here all day. All day. Yes. How easily these little fur balls get into your hearts. Who's the best Huli burger? You are. Alright, let's keep looking at flowers. Enjoy your nap. Bye-bye. Look at this beautiful green beauty that I have. It has another spike, you guys. I wish all the spikes would open at the same time, but it doesn't matter. We get to enjoy her again. She's perfection. And I love the contrast with my blue orchid basket. This is one of my favorite colors. The tag is upside down. Hold on, let me see if I can. There you go. Alright. Here is the ID. Of course, SBO. Of course, lime sherbet. Makes me want to eat some key lime pie. Like my favorite. Nice and cold for the summer. What is that? Oh, it's an ant. I'm like, is that a thrip? Nope, I have an ant on me too. It's a thrip. It's a lot harder to see. But oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Yay! And then I have the other 2 flowers coming in there. And then don't think that I forgot the Sundance haul. This one I bought with 2 flowers. Guess what? There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 more spikes. And I put her in my stone pot in that like midnight sparkly blue when the light hits it. Because I thought it was a perfect contrast for the flower. So this was what I bought there. I really wanted to buy a lot more, but I had to behave, you guys. No fun, right? So I scored this tenebrosa, and I put her in my orbit pot, a small one. And here is her ID. If I find a stock picture, oh, they have the price. It's a beautiful blooming size with new growth. So I thought it would be fun to get another. This was already cut off, and then this one looks like it has a little sunburn, but it looks pretty good though. Practically mounted on here. This little Hoya does not stop. Isn't she cute? Her ID completely faded. I used to know her name. I just love what's happening back here right now. Such a beauty. Since my dendrobiums are relocated, they're so happy. This one's gonna bloom yet again. The blue one back there is blooming again. I have one that I mounted on the palm tree. So this seems to be a very sweet spot. So my dendrobiums will definitely be relocated. It's important to sometimes switch it up for them. My herbs are looking beautiful. My Ahikatsucha is getting tall. The sage has suffered a lot with this heat wave. I already ate a tomato, but it's really hard to keep them hydrated with this heat. Got this cute little solar powered addition to my fountain, because this is a ceramic fountain and a little birdie that I put there, and now I have the water flowing whenever the sun is out. Isn't she cute? Not a big deal, but I think it's nice for the birds when they come drink water and they want to splash a little. I just love you know, the water in the garden is just so soothing. I just wanted to show you that cute. Oh wait, I just remembered. I have to show you more. before I forget, this No ID Beauty started to open with over a dozen flowers. Still has more buds. The ants are loving the sweet sap. Little ants on it. Gosh, I don't have an ID for her. And then I tried to tie her to the palm tree, but she had other plans. She wanted to crawl, but she can do whatever she wants because look how beautiful she is and how many flowers she has. The dendrobium opened all around, so I have like 360 view here of dendrobiums. Look at this. I have 2 spikes over there. One fell down because she's too heavy, and spikes all around. Look at how beautiful. I'm so happy with how that turned out. Look at this. The pink Ratusa. I wanted to take her out of that basket, but she's in another basket, so maybe I'll just put something around it. And she has a bonus plant. Some of the flowers already fell off before I got the chance to show them to you, but she's so pretty, right? Some buds back there. I don't know if they've opened yet. So it's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. Let's see what other adventures we can go on soon. Always remember to please be kind, and catch you next time. Bye.